How to fix you need official WhatsApp to log in. To do this, first of all, open the Play Store application. After that, tap on profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down slightly, then tap on Play Protect. After that, go to the settings icon. See here, go to the general option and tap it. Simply tap Turn Off. If you are still facing this problem and it is not solved, then we need to move on to the next step. I will show you step by step how to do it. Tap on Go to Official Website. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines, menu icon, located in the top left corner. Tap on the Help Center. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Temporarily Banned Account. Scroll down a little and tap on the No option. Select the solution doesn't work and tap on Selectee. Kindly describe your issue in detail here. After writing your issue, tap the Submit option below. Now, if you carefully follow these steps, your issue should be solved without any problem. That's it, thank you.